I was okay for the Army, other than the hernia they didn't want me. Not then. So anyway, I didn't get in the service as much as I was called up. And so I got a job. I was no longer in the automobile business. The minute the war broke out, they commandeered all the cars that we had available, and no longer was the automobile business in the same fashion selling to the public. They were selling maybe used cars, but new cars were no longer being manufactured. The company went into manufacturing war things.
Weapons of war are more important.
Exactly. And anyway, it's simply a matter that I then got a job in more work. I took a little, in the city, I was living in Hamilton, and there was Steel Company of Canada and Dominion Foundries and Steel, and there were several companies that immediately were turning into munitions type of manufacturing. So I got a job where I took a short course in, what the hell do they call it? In...
welding?
Pardon?
Welding?
No.
Or something with fabrication?
I'll think of the right word likely as I keep talking. Mm-hmm. Anyway, it so happened I took this little course. It was only about 3 months long, and then I was assigned by the company to go down into the United States, Pittsburgh, where there was all kinds of steel companies down there, and this was in either 1940 or 41, and the United States were not in the war yet. Canada was in the war with Britain and fighting Germany, but the United States were not in the war. They hadn't joined up yet. So all kinds of steel was being bought by Britain for munitions from Pittsburgh area, because it was the steel company of North America. All kinds of steel companies in Pittsburgh were manufacturing things to do with the war, but they weren't in the war yet. So I was sent over there. The little course I took, it starts with an M, the damn name of the... but anyway,
machining?
No, it sounds like that, but you're getting close. I'll think of it.
Yeah.
But anyway, my job was to see that the chemical analysis of the steel that was going to be used for munitions and armor plate and all kinds of things to do with war, I was sent over to Pittsburgh to do metallurgy. That's what I took a small course in.
Wow.
And I had to go out onto what they call ballistic testing, where they would shoot with powerful guns at different steel that was being sent to England, and I had to make sure the chemical analysis was according to specifications, and that the armor plate wasn't like butter.